What's hiding underneath your nail polish? I ask this every day to many of my patients. And they had no idea that that yellow, discolored, brittle toenail was actually a fungus growing underneath their toenail. And I tell so many women, you don't need to be embarrassed about the fact that your toenails are yellow and ugly. It's not because you're dirty. Most of the time it's because you got a bad pedicure, you dropped something on your toenail, maybe you're an avid runner, you work out quite a bit, and you just got the athlete's foot fungus that actually got underneath your toenail. Unfortunately, it just sits there and grows and it discolors and makes the toenail so ugly that most women are embarrassed to even talk about it. They don't want to wear sandals, they don't want to take their shoes off, they could even wear sneakers to the beach. I mean, there is hope. There is a new antifungal laser that will kill the fungus underneath your toenail and it will make it gone. One 30-minute procedure that doesn't hurt will make all the fungus go away. Now, does it happen overnight? No. It takes about 6 months for that toenail to grow out, and in some people it can take up to a year. Usually it's just one treatment, but if you have all 10 toenails involved, it can take up to 2. The best part is that you can put that toenail polish back on right away, cover up the ugliness, but know that your toenail is growing out normal over the next 6 months. So if you have ugly looking toenails, if you're embarrassed to take your shoes off, and you think that you may have onychomycosis, which is fungus under the toenail, come to our website, look at the information. I think the best thing for you to understand is that the antifungal laser will actually kill the fungus, and you don't have to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on antifungals that don't work. That stuff your nail lady gave you, the stuff that's in Walmart on the shelves, does not work. And the only oral medication that does work actually has some significant side effects. So if you're concerned about fungus and you've just been covering it up, come to our website, look at our information, and really, we can help you.